Tired of having to apply a moisturizer on top of an anit-wrinkle cream? Give Kaiame Naturals Anti-Aging Facial Moisturizer a try. Not only will you save money, you will also get the benefit of a 2-in-1 beauty product. Skip an extra step with your skincare regime. Our natural facial moisturizer will powerfully hydrate your skin, while providing anti-aging benefits. Our face moisturizer contains only all-natural and organic ingredients, including Aquaxyl, which helps moisture to circulate throughout all skin layers. The skin barrier is reinforced in 24 hours by limiting water loss. Results are softer, smoother skin within 28 days. Keep your face cream contaminant-free. Our facial moisturizer is packaged in a bottle with an airless pump, so there is no need to use your fingers to dig out your cream and risk contaminating the product. Please note, airless pumps do not require a plastic tubing like traditional pumps do, so don't be surprised if you remove the pump and do not see the plastic tubing. When you first try to dispense the product, you will need to pump a few times before the product is dispensed. If it does not dispense after a few pumps, put the cap back on and turn it upside down and tap it against your hand to help move the product to the top of the bottle. Try pumping again, and it should dispense. What are you waiting for? Click on the Add to Cart button, and try our natural facial moisturizer risk-free. We offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee on our products. Love it, or get your money back? Moisturizes without clogging pores using Aquaxyl. Kaiame Naturals Quench Facial Moisturizer contains Aquaxyl, a certified organic ingredient proven in clinical studies to hold moisture and limit its loss. Our facial moisturizer is also enriched with shea butter and certified organic extracts of chamomile, aloe vera, and olive leaf for exceptional moisturizing benefits. Anti-aging benefits. Kaiame Naturals Quench Facial Moisturizer not only powerfully hydrates the skin, it also helps to prevent and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Our facial moisturizer contains all natural and organic ingredients, all of which have been proven to fight the signs of aging for both women and men. These ingredients work together to keep your skin looking radiant and healthy. ANTIOXIDENT benefits. Our natural face moisturizer contains a plethora of antioxidants to help protect your skin from environmental stressors. Promotes collagen production for firmer, more youthful looking skin. Great for all skin types, our anti-aging cream is excellent for sensitive, dry, oily, combination and acne-prone skin. Helps control inflammation and redness. Contains ingredients that help control breakouts and blemishes. Made with all natural and certified organic ingredients, Kaiame Naturals Facial Moisturizer is free of harmful, toxic chemicals. It is free of parabens, sulfates, and phthalates. Our natural face moisturizer is also cruelty-free, and never tested on animals. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available this product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.